Let's solve the following quadratic equation. X squared minus 1 equals 9x. There are multiple ways to solve any quadratic equation, but for this one, let's get it all equal to 0 first before we decide. Okay, I'm leaning towards the quadratic formula already. So let's subtract 9x from both sides. Okay, so I end up with x squared minus 9x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so if I'm going to use the quadratic formula, remember that says x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. Okay, where a, b, and c are the coefficients of the quadratic. So a is the understood 1 in the front of x squared, b is the negative 9, and c is the negative 1. So let's plug those numbers in. Negative b is negative 9 plus or minus the square root b squared, so negative 9 squared, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. Negative 9 is a positive 9. Negative 9 squared is 81. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 1 is a positive 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. '81 plus 4 is 85. Okay, and then I need to see if I can simplify this square root of 85. So off to the side, I'll do a factor tree. 85 is the product of 5 times 17. Can't break that down any further. Those are both prime numbers, so I can't break down the square root of 85, which means my two solutions are here. 9 plus the square root of 85 all over 2, and 9 minus the square root of 85 all over 2.